was an interesting story on Axios yesterday detailing how many stores have been installing what are called reverse ATMs, which dispense store value cards in exchange for paper money. A regular ATM, of course, gives us money when we put in our debit or credit cards, but reverse ATMs do the exact opposite. These machines take our paper money and give us a prepaid plastic card in return. The net result of this is that there is less cash in circulation with consumers as the average citizen is slowly weaned off of paper money in favor of using a prepaid plastic card. Those who follow Bible prophecy might think this is a bit reminiscent of the mark of the beast, which most believe will involve a digital currency of some kind and where cash is frowned upon or even illegal. The mark of the beast is referenced in Revelation 13, which speaks of how the false prophet causes all to receive a mark in their right hands or foreheads. Here's how that passage reads. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Since the mark of the beast will likely be connected to a digital system that tracks how we buy and sell, preventing anyone from doing so unless they have that mark, paper money would not only be unnecessary, but discouraged and perhaps even banned. A key precursor to the mark would be the digitization of currency, and the United States actually took a big step towards that last year as the Biden administration signaled urgency in researching a potential digital version of the dollar via a central bank digital currency. Of course, none of us are going to prevent the eventual mark of the beast from being instituted and how it will almost certainly be connected to a digital currency that tracks our every transaction. I find myself using cash less and less, often not even carrying any with me in my wallet. This isn't so much a conscious decision to avoid handling paper money as much as how easy it is to pay for everything with a debit or credit card nowadays. But what about you? Do you keep less cash in your wallet these days? Or do you still prefer to use paper money in all of your transactions? Since the mark of the beast is inevitable, is having paper money on hand of importance to you? Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for taking a moment to watch, and if videos on Bible prophecy and the Antichrist are of interest to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. As always, please be respectful in your comments, especially towards those with whom you disagree. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys soon.